what's up and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. So for today's hair tutorial we're doing single crochet braids or single crochet faux locks. So let's start the hair. So I've basically braided my hair into like single strands. This is just me showing you guys like the single strands. Then right now, to just show you what I did, I'm going to be taking my Auntie Jackie's quench leave-in conditioner because my hair was really dry. I had just washed my hair, so I hadn't put any product into my hair and it was seriously dry. So I took this leave-in conditioner to just soften the hair. So once I'm done with that, I'm going into this my dark and lovely au natural plating pudding cream. If you've seen my free, I think it was my July or August favorites I posted about this cream and I really love it, so it has become a part of my hair regimen. So yeah, so now I'm just going to rub that all over, like basically saturate the entire hair with that, moisturizing my scalp and everything. This cream is amazing. So anyways, once I'm done with that, going into my Elle Glitters daily moisturizer. This is just to like seal all that. I use this to seal all those liquidy products together, just to, and this thing smells like bubble gum, so hey, why not? So yeah, I'm just going to apply that, especially concentrating it on my scalp and on the roots of my hair, on the tips of my hair, on the roots of that's on my scalp and on the tips of my hair. So once I'm done with that, time to detangle the hair. So I'm just going to start from the tip of the hair and just working my way from top to bottom. Never, when you're combing or trying to detangle your hair, never start from the root. Always start from the tip of your hair and work your way to the root of your hair. It helps for less breakage. Your hair doesn't break as much when you detangle that way. But if you start from like the root upwards, you're sure to get a lot of hair breakage. So anyways, I've detangled my hair with my white tooth comb, and now time to section out the hair. So with this my hair sectioner or cutting comb, I'm just going to cut out a portion of my hair. Then once I'm done with that, as I'm satisfied, I'm going to take my once I'm satisfied with that cutting, I'm going to take my got to be invisible styling gel. So I'll take that a bit for the hair and just saturate the hair and then braid the hair. This just ensures that like the hair is like really sleek when I am braiding it. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just went off camera to like braid all the other hair because it doesn't make sense just show you guys everything because you get the drift. So anyways, once the hair is braided, this is the hair I'm going to be using, the faux locks I'm going to be using. So yeah, this is, it's like a really big faux lock, and yeah, so
will say I never give up. Is no, I never give up. I never give up. What is on you? Yeah, I do always what I like. I never give up. I never give up.
so I had done most of the attaching, like off camera. I had done most of the hair off camera, and so now I'm just coming to show you guys how exactly I do the hair. So taking my crochet pin, just sticking it under beneath the hair. I'm just, basically that is how I'm going to crochet it. So dragging the faux locks under the hair, I'm just sticking it through and looping it inside the hair. And yeah, basically I think it's kind of self-explanatory with this part. So just basically, how you crochet, put it in, stick it in, close the latch, draw it, then put them together, and yeah. So anyways, you're supposed to end up with two different strands, your hair and then the the um the faux locks. So basically, to start the hair, I pushed the pin in through the hair, like through the middle of the hair, and then taking, I don't know if you can see that. So you can see like the two separate hair, putting the pin through like in the middle of the faux lock, then dragging the hair, putting the hair in the latch, then dragging it through the middle. So this kind of creates the illusion of invisibility. I don't know if you can, like, you can just watch it and see what I'm doing. Can you see? Yeah, so drag it through the hair. So basically you're going to keep doing that, like step by step by step by step, till all your hair is hidden inside the faux lock. So you just keep watching, and yeah. So basically, guys, like that is what I did throughout the entire hair. I hope that was like easy and self-explanatory. And yeah, so I think I used about 3 packs of the Faux Locs for this entire head of hair, and I think it contains about 16 strands of the Faux Locs in it. So yeah, this is basically it, and yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the finished hair. Like, I think this hair took me approximately um 2 days to finish, and you can see like how full like the hair is. It took, I think I used 3 packs of the hair extension or the crochet faux locks to actually finish this hair. So it took me about roughly 2.5 days, just because I got busy in between the days of actually making the hair. So yeah, so let's just say roughly 2.5 days. So once I finished crocheting all the hairs so once I finished crocheting all the hairs individually, I went in with my Nova Gold. So I went in with my Nova Gold Natural Hold Styling Mousse. So I went in with my styling mousse and just ran that all over the hair extensions. Then I gave myself some laid my edges with my Got to Be styling gel. Then I accessorized the hair with like all these stuff, like silver stuff, and some gold accessories here. So that was basically it. So it's like, and it's so lightweight, it doesn't even feel, at first I was kind of worried I was going to feel heavy, but it doesn't even feel heavy at all. It feels actually lightweight, and I actually love it. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, if it was helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, to share, and put your comments down below if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you learned a thing or two about the single crochet. Like, this is my first time actually doing single crochet, and I'm happy. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please join my little family. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy this YouTube journey together. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.